morning guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you beautiful Tuscany where we went on a weekend break. We were invited by the gorgeous hotel Renaissance Il Ciocco in the heart of Tuscany, about I would say 40 minutes away from the city of Lucca, about an hour away from Pisa and about an hour and a half away from Florence. Renaissance Il Ciocco is an amazing place to relax, eat amazing food and enjoy your time in Tuscany, whether it's 2 days, 3 days, a week or even longer. It's a great place to base yourself and explore the surroundings. In this video I will show you our time spent in Tuscany, so what are we going to do during our 2.5 days in Tuscany. Disclaimer, we're gonna eat a lot of amazing Italian food. We will go to the winery, we'll also probably go trekking, and we'll have a cooking class. So it's an exciting itinerary, but we'll try to escape the hotel for maybe a few times to see some beautiful towns in the surrounding area, because the area is really, really beautiful.
What's a good price? €15? 15? Yeah, that's a good price for real.
The meal is over and it was absolutely massive, but it was spectacular. Honestly, it was really, really amazing. Pretty much all the dishes were outstanding, and even though I couldn't finish obviously the last few, I wish I could, but I just didn't have any room left in my stomach, so it was just impossible for me to finish them. But I would if I could. So if you want to try amazing Italian food, definitely head to this hotel. We're currently climbing some stairs because we simply ate so much. I just want to move around, but since it's a bit rainy outside, it's not an option to walk outside in the street. So we're trying to burn some calories by climbing the stairs to the 6th floor. Spending the last few spare minutes before going to the wine tasting. I love Italian wine. You come here in summer, obviously you would be able to swim, you would be able to spend a few days just chilling at this hotel if you're tired, you want to break from the city life. Right now it's actually end of September, so if you can swim if you want, but it might be a bit cold because we are here up in the mountains, and I would say it's probably around like 12 degrees Celsius. Even though it's sunny, it's warm when it's sunny, but the water wouldn't be so warm, I'd say. So we arrived at a vineyard called Podere Concori, and we're gonna do some exciting activities. Podere Concori is located just a few minutes driving away from Renaissance Il Ciocco. Probably about, I would say, 6 or 7 minutes driving, so that's quite close. So the harvesting process finished around the mid-September, actually probably on the 10th of September or something like that. So we are past the harvest season, but we'll see now how the rest of the process is happening, so the actual wine manufacturing. Although to be honest, you can see still a bit of grapes on the wines. So
that it was at the enter of our house many years ago. So he decided
It's mainly away from in the UK, because they're like this big Netherlands, they come from the Netherlands.
yeah, and also this one is.
So we are heading to the village of Barga. It was recommended to us by the general managers and directors of the hotel, and it's a village we see from our window in the hotel. It's about 7 to 10 minutes driving from the hotel and from the winery. Definitely will show you the village because it's supposed to be really pretty. Barga is an absolutely stunning town or a village. I don't know actually how to call it. I would say it's a town, but maybe it's a village. I'm not 100% sure about the classification. But yeah, normally it would be flooded with tourists, but obviously during the pandemic it's kind of empty, and it's sad to see a lot of places closed, although Good morning guys, we started the first activity of today, our last day in Tuscany, and we are hiking. It's a bit chilly, so I'm wearing my, I wouldn't say it's a winter jacket, but it has quite a lot of padding, so I'm warm. But I also have my hiking jacket with me just in case we get warmer with so much climbing. But to be honest, it's exciting. The last hike we've done was Lake District. It was about 3 weeks. Was it 3 weeks ago?
Yeah, probably 3 weeks.
Yeah, so it's good to be hiking again. is over. We are back. Actually, it's time to go back to the airport, to be honest. So we'll probably drop the lunch and eat somewhere on the way, just because we don't have so much time. We still have a bit of time. We decided to stop for lunch in Lucca before going to the airport, and the city is really, really beautiful. Unfortunately, we have just an hour to do everything here, but it's really beautiful. It's like mini Florence.